Hey there, welcome again to another build video, continuing to the last one where I was missing a spring, which goes down here. So I actually had to mail order springs because no King hardware shop in the area had springs. So yeah, finally got them. I use either one of these. This is stronger. I guess I start with that. If that turns out to be too strong, I'll use the softer one here. They didn't have the exact one mentioned by the instruction manual, but I guess that'll do. So we'll mount this guiding tube connector for the tube where the filament is going through to the extruder down here, and that'll actually conclude the mechanical construction, and will be the final step before we actually start connecting stuff and wiring up stuff and soldering and so on. That'll be fun. So yeah, little time-lapse video, and then see you later. Okay, now everything's mounted. Tubes in here that goes all the way to the extruder. Plastic cold, plastic hot, and the spring works. I can pull this back here. It applies pressure to this wheel here where the plastic will be squeezed through into the tube. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Next time, soldering time. Bye bye.